Imagine a small coastal village in India. The sea creeps closer each year, storms grow stronger, and fishermen struggle to find the catch. To protect their home, the villagers plant rows of mangroves. These trees quietly capture tons of carbon dioxide, far more than a regular forest. Yet, when it's time to prove their impact and earn carbon credits, their hard work vanishes into delays, long processes, and mistrust. What if technology could rewrite that ending? This is Blue Carbon Chain, a blockchain based blue carbon registry and MRV system that makes carbon credit generation transparent, traceable, and trustworthy. Let's move on with the sign up page. Here, you can register with your full name, email ID, and password, and you can select from three different roles: contributor or villager, if you are someone with a plantation or you want to upload your data and get earn carbon credits. If you are from NGO, Panchayat, or any other community that verifies the plantation and gives out the report for the carbon credits. Field agents are agents assigned by these NGO or panchayats that looks after the reports that gives on photos and verifies that these plantations are there in the location. Let's log in with a normal user first. This will take you to the user landing page, which will be the user dashboard. This is where the user page dashboard looks like. The user can see various information about itself, the total credits earned, activities submitted, and all the recent activities with their status of being approved or is it pending, with date which when it was approved, and the credits for each of the activity. Now, how can you submit any activity? Here you can see submit activity, which takes you to and submit an eco-friendly activity. Here, you can give the description about plants or what type of plantation you are having. Example, planted 20 mangrove saplings near the river, etc. With add proof, image and location, which your browser, if you are doing it for the first time, it will ask for permissions. I have done it before, so it will directly go on with the photo and the location, live location of that. I will select one more photo for that. And now you just click on submit for verification. As you can see, the submission was successful with the two proofs which was submitted for verification. Now we'll move on to the blockchain explorer. What does this do? This shows you all the recent transactions that has happened, like the credit issuance, the credit transfer, project verification, requirement, retirement, everything with a timestamp, with the amount used, everything will be shown here. Now we will move on to the analytics page. This page shows you the total credits earned, the community rank among the contributors in your area, the monthly credits earned on each month, and the contributions by type. Now let's move ahead with the next role, which is NGO, panchayats, or community and different communities. Now this is how the checkers page look like. Checkers dashboard, which shows you the total projects managed by the community, pending user submissions, and available carbon credits. It shows all the projects that are under you right now. When you click on manage, it gives you the information about the project with the location, description, the status of the project, and the credits issued for the project. You can assign agent for each project differently. This My Team shows you which all agents are available, which agents are on task, etc. In Find Agents, you can see different agents, and each agents have their own unique ID. If you search on this ID, you will see the information about this agent. with the reputation, location, and what are their specialities. And now we can see the recent user submissions. Users submitting with all their activities and details. And in each detail, there you can see with unique ID and submitted and with a timestamp, the location, description, and the proof submitted. When you click on approve, the activity will be approved and verified, and the credits will be issued to the user. We can even reject one, and the activity will be rejected, and the user will be notified about that. Let's move on to the next role, which is field agent verification. Now, this is how a field agent's dashboard looks like. It has all the information like how many tasks are pending, how many reports are submitted this month, what is the wallet balance, what is his reputation on the based on the task, and the assigned tasks will be shown here with the location, which NGO or community is involved in it, the status of the project, and you can click on Open Task, which gives you all the information with the verification instructions. And you can to generate a report. You can upload the photos, videos, fill a verification form, and mark it as complete and submit it. Now we have different agent tools. What does these tools have? My task just gives you all the queue of tasks inside it, which have been assigned to you. This shows completed tasks as well as in progress tasks and as well pending tasks. What is NGO Hubs? It shows you all the NGOs that are available to connect. The NGO, how many projects does these NGO have? How many agents does these have? And you can apply it with apply to any of the organizations below. My reports gives you the history of the reports. Wallet and earnings shows you the earnings you have had till now. For each verification, you will be paid an amount, and you can even download the statement from here. You can request payout for the projects you have done. Reputation is simply how the you get more verification work. The ratings are completely based on your task, and the rank will be shown here. The completed task will be here. The feedback from each NGOs will be shown here. And that brings us to the conclusion of how these these things matters in our project. The kind of detailed flow ensures that contributors get recognized for real work. NGOs and field agents add credibility. Blockchain secures every record. Admins maintain governance and transparency. In conclusion, with Blue Carbon Chain, what used to be a maze of paperwork becomes a transparent, tech driven, and scalable solution. The story of that small village no longer ends in doubt, it ends in empowerment. Communities are rewarded, ecosystems are restored, and the planet is protected. Thank you.